Hi, I'm Brenna and I'm a video intern at Chatterblast. In today's 60-second social, I'm going to make sure your next social video looks just as good as you. First is orientation. There are two main options to choose from, portrait or landscape. Focus on filming in landscape mode or horizontally. It's easy to spot an amateur video when those notorious black bars show up alongside a vertical video in Facebook or Twitter. However, some social media platforms might prefer vertical video, like Instagram or Snapchat. Don't forget some natural light and a good pair of headphones. Next, make sure your phone is set to 1080p HD at 30 frames per second. These are basic industry standards. These should already be your default settings, but just in case, go to your camera settings in your phone to confirm, or ask a millennial to do it. Before you press record, be aware of a platform's time limit. Focus on sweet spots for videos, usually around 45 seconds to a minute, in order to effectively grab your audience's attention. Lastly, consider captions for your videos. Captions make it easier for an audience to consume your media wherever they are. These tools can greatly improve how your video is filmed and impacts your audience.